ઓકે આગળની આપણે વાત કરીએ એ પહેલા ચલો આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ મેક સમ સેન્ટેન્સીસ વિલ યુ પ્લીઝ હેલ્પ મી આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ સે ધેટ બીજલ અત્યારે રાંધી રહી છે કુક કરી રહી છે યસ હાર્દિક વેરી ગુડ બીજલ રાંધવાની છે ભવિષ્યમાં યસ રોશની બીજલ વિલ કુક બીજલે રાંધ્યું હતું મહેન્દ્ર બીજલ કુકડ બીજલ રોજ રાંધે છે નિકુલ ના બેટા શું થાય આશા બીજલ કુક્સ અને બીજલ રાંધી શકે છે તો વિરાટ કુક બીજલ કેન કુક ઓકે ચાલો અહીંયા જોઈએ આપણે દેખેલા પાર્ટ જોયો સોંગ ઓફ સોંગ્સ રાઈટ લેટ અસ સી ઇટ અગેન ધ ગ્રેટ રૂલર ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા અકબર had 9 gems in his court. The 9 gems were the greatest in their own fields. One of them was Tansen, a great musician. So he played different types of musical notes for the king. Okay, so he played ragas like Malakaush, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. Tansen made some innovations in Malhar Rag and he created Miya Malhar Rag. One evening, the king was in his court and he said to Tansen, Ustadji, play something new on your Tanpura and make us happy. Tansen agreed. Okay. He took his Tanpura and he started Rag Dalbari. So the court became calm, quiet. Yeah, the court became calm and quiet, and people they forgot everything. Yeah, they forgot everything around them. After some time, the king looked up. His eyes were bright with praise. He said, wonderful. What did he say? Wonderful. Okay. King said, superb. I listen to you every day. I listen to you every day. But this was the best. This was the best. Tansen bowed before the king. What did Tansen do? Bowed. Bow? Yeah, right. So king said, I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world. So Tansen said, well, my lord, there is someone who sings better than I. There is someone, a man who sings better than I. So the king disbelieved it and he cried, really? Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it? The king asked. Tansen shook his head. What did he do? Can you nod your head? Nod your head? Nod your head? Kushi, how to nod your head? This is nodding your head. And shake your head. Yesterday we did the exercise, right? So Tansen shook his head. He said, I'm afraid he will not come here. So king asked, what? Even if he hears that the king himself requests him, even then not? A Akbar was very eager to meet him. So king said, "Very well, Ustadji." With a smile, he looked into Tansen's eyes, and king said, "If he doesn't come here, then I shall go him myself. Will you take me to him?" King asked. Tansen said, "Yes, but you do not go there as a king." Right? So king said, "I shall go there as a humble lover of music." Right. So Sant Haridas was the man. Tansen told Akbar about Sant Haridas. He was Tansen's guru. What was Sant Haridas?
Guru.
Tansen's guru. And he lived a very simple life. How life did he live?
Simple life.
Very simple life. So he was devoted. He was devoted to music and he was devoted to Lord Krishna. So he was devoted to music and Lord Krishna. He lived in Vrindavan. Where did he live?
Vrindavan.
In a hut on the bank of river Yamuna. So his disciples were Baiju Bawra and Tansen. And when Tansen and the king reached the place, he was busy with his daily routine. He was busy. So he greeted both. Greet, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Mataji, Ram Ram, Padaro, welcome. He greeted both. When they requested him to sing, he smiled and said, "I'm not a great musician. I sing as you sing. I left singing many days ago." Right? I left singing many days ago. So I cannot sing properly. Tansen, his favorite disciple, could not persuade him to change his mind. However, Tansen knew how to get round him. How to get round. I mean, so he offered to sing before his guru. He offered that I am going to sing, listen to me. Then Tansen, as he sang, he made some mistakes. What did he make? Mistakes again and again, again and again. So his guru cried, "That's not the right note. What has happened to you?" So Tansen pretend, natak karo. So Tansen pretended not to understand. So he made the same mistake again. So Sant Haridas became angry and he took Tanpura from Tansen's hand and he sang the Rag Darpari in the right way. Right? He sang the Rag Darpari in the right way. So he went on to the next and next, next and next, and the sweetness of his voice spread. Yeah. The sweetness of his voice spread all around. Right? And both the king and Tansen, they forgot where they were. Right? They forgot where they were. And the king realized that Tansen was right. He had certainly never heard any music like this before. So he said, "I agree. Sant Haridas is the greatest musician. No other musician is so great as him." They walked back silently. How did they walk back? Silently. Yeah, silently. Then the king broke the silence. King said, "Why can't you sing like him, Ustadji? Why cannot you sing like your guru?" So Tansen smiled and said, "Shansha, I sing at your command, the command of the king of Hindustan, and Guruji sings for the one who is king of kings." This is the story, right? We discussed it yesterday. Now there are some sentences here. So tell me if these sentences are true or false. Can you please read the sentence number 1? Tansen agreed that he was the best singer. Is it true or false? Mahendra, what do you say? True. Hinal? True. Rohit? True. Virendra? True. Virat? True. Nikul? Raju? True. Hardik? Kavya? Kushi? Viren? Ankita? Prahlad? Look here, Tansen agreed. Tansen agrees again to Raja Lude. Raja is there again. You have the most wonderful voice in the world. Tansen said, yes, Your Majesty. I have the most wonderful voice in the world. Did he agree here? No. So he did not agree. So this sentence is not true. Antita Ben, this is false. Yeah. Where is your book? Oh, sorry. Okay, read the second one. Sant Haridas lived in a hut. Virendra? False. Virat? False. Nikul? False. Raju? False. Ankit? False. Hardik? Huh? Virat? Hinal? Priyanka? Gayatri? Rohit? Sant Haridas, where did he live? In a hut. That's the truth. Why are you going on telling false? If one person stands up and says it is false, then everybody starts telling false. So it should not be so. Okay, read the third one. Sant Haridas could not sing well, cannot sing well. Okay. Sant Haridas came to Akbar's court. Sant Haridas came to Akbar's court. Sant Haridas came to Akbar's court. Came. Yeah, Rohit? Very good. Virendra? Mahendra? Viren? Prahlad? Hardik? It is false. He did not come. Akbar went to Sant Haridas. Right? Did Sant Haridas came to Akbar? He did not come to Akbar. Akbar went there. So it is false. Read, understand the sentence. Read the fifth, fourth one. Sant Haridas cannot sing well, could not sing well. Raise your hand. सारे रीते नौता गाई शकतो. Sant Haridas could not sing well. Raise your hands and tell me. Sant Haridas could not sing well. Yeah, Khushi. Jairaj. Hinal. केम नहीं शकता था? Okay, so that is also a false. Read the next.
Some
Deliberately, જાણી જોઈને. Deliberately. Townsend made some mistakes જાણી જોઈને. Deliberately. Is it true or false? Yeah. Gopi. True. Hardik.
False.
Priyanka.
False.
Virat.
False.
Rohit.
True.
નિકુલ તાનસેને જાણી જોઈને ભૂલ કરી હતી કે ભૂલથી ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई जानी जोઈને કરી હતી that is true the king agreed that Santaridas was a wonderful singer king agreed in the last did he agree that Santaridas was a wonderful singer believe
False.
false Ankita
False.
false Prahlad
True. False. True. True. True.
that is true છેલ્લે એગ્રી થઈ ગયા હતા કે હા ભાઈ સંત હરિદાસ was the greatest એટલે તો એમણે પેલાને કહ્યું કે why cannot you sing like him એના જેવું કેમ નથી ગાતા રાઈટ ચલો નેક્સ્ટ હવે આમાંથી કયું વાક્ય એવું છે જે આનો અર્થ આવું થાય છે કે there is someone who sings better than I એના જોડે મળતું આવતું સમાનાર્થી એનું વાક્ય કયું છે કે I sing better than someone કે someone sings better than I do કે someone sings as well as I do as ક્યારે આવે
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
સરખા તો અહીંયા શું કહે છે there is someone who sings better than I sing
It.
તો આમાંથી ત્રણમાંથી કયું આવશે બોલો ખુશી
Someone sing as well
as well
as.
as I do okay
Someone sings better than I do.
okay
I sing better than someone.
okay
I sing better than someone.
I sing better than someone એટલે હું બીજા કરતા કોઈને કરતા સારું ગાઉં છું આ એવી વાત હતી someone sings better than I કોઈ મારા કરતા સારું ગાય છે તો આ તો નહીં આવે someone sings as well as I do એટલું જ સારું ગાય છે જેટલું હું સારું ગાઉં છું એવી વાત નથી વાત છે નહીં છે someone sings better than I મારા કરતા કોઈ સારું ગાય છે ચલો I am afraid he will not come શહેનશાહ I am afraid he will not come તો આનો અર્થ શું થાય I am afraid that he will come I am not afraid of him I am not afraid of him કે I am afraid that he will refuse ના પાડવી to come what does this mean I am afraid that he will come I am not afraid of him I am afraid that he will refuse to come yeah Viren
I am afraid that he will refuse to come.
Hardik
I am not afraid of him.
I am not afraid of him I am not afraid of anyone
I am afraid that he will come.
I am afraid that he will come
I am afraid that he will come.
જો I am afraid મને બીક છે કે આવી જશે આ બોલાવાનો તો હતો હું એનાથી બીતો નથી I am not afraid of him સાચું શું છે I am afraid that he will refuse ના પાડશે આવવાની એની બીક છે next but Tansen knew how to get around him Tansen जानता था उन्हें केवल इधर पकड़ा right so Tansen knew the way around आजू बाजू नो रास्ता जानता था Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing and Tansen knew that he could go around him કયું સાચું છે ત્રણમાં પ્રહલાદ.
Tansen knew how to get Saint Haridas to sing. Tansen knew how to get Saint Haridas to sing.
Yeah, Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. કેવી રીતે એમને ગવડાવવું.
Again.
I sing at your command. Command એટલે આદેશ. I sing at your command. તો નીચેનામાંથી ત્રણમાંથી કયું આવે કે I sing because you asked me to do, your command is musical for me, કે you sing at my command. Meaning
I sing
because
because you asked me to. I sing because you asked me to.
yeah Hardik Viren Bulevich. Wow. I sing because you asked me to do. Yes, Guruji sings for one who is the king of kings. So what does this mean? Guruji sings for the one great king? Say Guruji sings for many kings? Ki Guruji sings for God? What is it, Varsha? No, okay, no. Spinner. God. Yes?
Guruji sings for God.
Very good. Guruji sings for God. Okay, there are 5 questions. First question is, who sang better than Tansen? તમારા ચોપડામાં જલ્દીથી આનો જવાબ લખી દો, કોઈને બતાવ્યા વગર. એક જ મિનિટ આપું છું. 1 મિનિટમાં આનો જવાબ જલ્દીથી ચોપડામાં લખી દો. Who will now tell me? બસ આટલા જ. Kavya, tell me, what is the answer? Who sang better than Tansen?
Tansen Guru better than.
Okay, very good. But what was the name of Tansen's guru? Prahlad?
Saint Haridas sang better than Tansen.
Yeah, so we should write that. What should we write? Sant Sant Haridas sang better than Tansen, right? So write this down and also write the answer of second question. Where did Sant Haridas live? Right? You have 2 minutes. Okay, now tell me, what is the answer of the second question? Where did Sant Haridas live? Virendra, tell me your answer. Stand up and tell me. Priyanka, stand up. Tell me your answer. ક્યાં લખે જવાબ? આ થોડો પાર્ટ જોવાનો છે, આનો જવાબ એનું લખ્યું. શોધજો બધો. પહેલાનો જવાબ ક્યાં લખ્યું? હું બોર્ડ પર શું કરાયેલું? મેં કેવી રીતે લખ્યું? Sant Haridas કરું. Sant Haridas કરું. સુધારેલો જવાબ ક્યાં લખ્યો તમે? અહીં લખવાનો કીધું. લખો ફટાફટ લખો. બેસો. જલ્દી લખો. અહીંયા પહેલા સુધારેલો જવાબ. પ્રિયંકા, શું બીજાનો જવાબ ક્યાં લખ્યો? બીજા પ્રશ્ન ચોપડામાં લખો. બધા લખો. ચલો ફરીથી બીજા પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ પહેલા. બેસી થોડું લખવાનું છે. Okay, good. Varsha, stand up and tell me. Okay, Kavya, stand up.
Sant Haridas lived Vrindavan.
Okay. Hardik.
It's Sant Haridas in Vrindavan.
તમે જે લખ્યું છે એ વાંચો. Mahendra, what have you written? શું લખ્યું ચોપડો બોલો બીજા પ્રશ્નનું.
He lived the said Vrindavan.
બોલો ખુશી.
Sant Haridas lived Vrindavan.
ચલો શું થાય વેર જગ્યા પૂછી છે કઈ જગ્યાએ હાઉ નથી પૂછ્યું કે કેવી રીતે જીવે વેર તો જગ્યા લખવાની છે ડીડ છે પાછળ જતો રહેશે તો વાક્ય શું બને હવે સંત હરિદાસનો એચ વીરેન શેમાં આવે વીરેન આવડ્યું સંત હરિદાસ લીવ અને ડીડ ભેગું થાય તો થઈ જાય લીવ્ડ ક્યાં રહેતા હતા વૃંદાવનમાં ઇન વૃંદાવન આ સાચો જવાબ ચોપડીમાં લખો ખોટો જવાબ અરે ત્રીજા પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ છે એ જાતે બનાવો ચાલો ઓકે હુ ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ટુ ટેલ મી ધ આન્સર Pinal, stand up. Which is your answer? Stand up and tell me. Read your answer. What have you written? Read. बाकी છે. Okay, sit down. Bijal, stand up. Read. What have you written? Okay. Ankita, what have you written?
Lord said Haridas go to Delhi.
Okay. Gayatri?
Akbar is said to went to Saint Sant Haridas.
ચલો અહીં જોઈ લો વાય કારણ પૂછ્યું છે દીડ પાછળ જતું રહેશે પણ ગોમાં નહીં જાય ગોની આગળ તો ટુ લાગેલું છે ક્રિયાપદ કયું છે ડિસાઈડ તો શું બને અકબર ડિસાઈડ અને ડીડ ડિસાઈડેડ ટુ go to Sant હરિદાસ હટ શું કામ જવાનું નક્કી કર્યું હવે જો કારણનો જવાબ બે રીતે લખાય કાં તો બીકોઝ લખીને આખું વાક્ય લખાય બીકોઝ because he wanted to listen to him right એને સાંભળવું કાં તો પછી ટુ કરીને લખાય એક જે વાક્ય એક શબ્દમાંથી બે શબ્દમાં કે ટુ લિસન ઇઝ મ્યુઝિક આ રીતે આવે ટુ લિસન ઇઝ મ્યુઝિક ચલો એમાં આખું વાક્ય ન બને આપણે ખાલી આટલું કહીએ કે ધ કન્ડિશન વોઝ શરત હતી કે તો કે માટે આપણે મૂકીશું ધેટ શું શરત હતી ભાઈ રાજા ત્યાં કેવી રીતે નહીં જઈ શકે? રાજાની જેમ નહીં જઈ શકે. તો હી કેનનું ભૂતકાળ would not go there as a king. Yeah, he could not go there as a king. ભૂલ કરી. હા, તો આપણે કેવી રીતે બોલીશું એને? તાનસેની ભૂલ કરી. તાનસેન make તો make નું ભૂતકાળ made mistakes. તો આપણે લખીશું તાનસેન made mistakes. ચલો, એ ભૂલો કરી. પછી શું થયું? એને મિસ્ટેક કરી એટલે Sant Haridas became angry. Sant Haridas became angry. અને પછી શું થયું? Sant Haridaસે હા શું કર્યું? એમણે તાનપુરા લઈ લીધું. તો શું કહીશું? હી ટેક નું ભૂતકાળ took તાનપુરા એન્ડ અને પછી શું કર્યું? પછી જતા રહ્યા ઘેર. sang and sang which rag? Yeah, and sang rag दरबारी in a right way. है ना? આ રીતે લખાશે.